Welcome to Edits in Minutes. Today, I'll show you how to create a remarkable split slice transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, import your clips and place them on the timeline, ensuring they are adjacent. Move your timeline to be at the cut of the clips. Then, move it 20 frames to the left. Move your first clip above video layer 2 and cut it. Duplicate the clip to video layer 3. Head to the Effect controls and click the Pen tool and stopwatch icon next to the mask path. Draw the triangular shape and move the timeline 20 frames forward. Move the mask down, away from the screen. Then move back 20 frames and repeat the process for the third video layer. Draw the triangular shape and move it away from the screen with 20 frames apart. Play the timeline to preview your split slice transition. And that's it. A quick split slice transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching and happy editing.